What's going on? This is Super Simple Fixes. Do you have an interior door lock that looks like this? And on the other side, it's got one of these little turning knobs right here. We're gonna figure out how to pick it if you don't have one of these. So where are you gonna find that little key? If you moved into a new apartment or condo or something like that, I want you to feel around the top of your door frame, and usually that's where you're gonna find these little keys. I'm gonna go ahead and lock this door. Pop it right into this little circle right here. Okay, go straight in. You should be able to just kind of feel around, give it a little turn, watch the left side of the screen. And it now unlocks. Let's say you can't find the key. I'll go ahead and lock this door. Get a really skinny little flat blade right here. Works the same way. Just pop it straight in the hole. Kind of feel around for the slot. Watch the left side of the screen. I'm going to give it a little turn. Boom, done. 2 ways to get into this little lock.